Hello everyone! Welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we'll learn 50 color names in English. Fast and easy. Let's get started. White,
White,
black,
black,
red,
red,
yellow,
yellow,
blue,
blue,
green,
green,
orange,
orange,
pink,
pink,
purple,
purple,
maroon,
maroon,
cyan,
cyan,
aqua,
aqua,
rust,
rust,
gray,
gray,
silver,
silver,
turquoise,
turquoise,
brown,
brown,
amber,
amber,
beige,
beige,
golden,
golden,
navy blue,
navy blue,
sky blue,
sky blue,
asparagus,
asparagus,
wheat,
wheat,
peach,
peach,
salmon,
salmon,
ocean blue,
ocean blue,
moss green,
moss green,
forest green,
forest green,
dark green,
dark green,
lime green,
lime green,
yellow green,
yellow green,
mint,
mint,
cream,
cream,
mocha,
mocha,
magenta,
magenta,
orchid,
orchid,
lavender,
lavender,
khaki,
khaki,
honeydew,
honeydew,
floral white,
floral white,
fire brick,
fire brick,
eggplant,
eggplant,
cayenne,
cayenne,
Cornflower blue.
Cornflower blue.
Carnation pink.
Carnation pink.
Cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe.
Teal.
Teal.
Coral.
Coral.
Aquamarine.
Aquamarine.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more fun lessons. See you next time.